When you're getting ready to deliver a presentation, the thoughts in your head, those little ones, can either lift you up or tank you and send you down the path that you don't want to go. So, what do? In a moment, I'm going to tell you exactly how to replace those negative thoughts with empowering thoughts that will lift you up and ensure your speaking success. I am AmondaRose Igoe, speaking success strategist and creator of ShePowered Speaking. So make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel because I've got amazing tips coming your way. So what do? The little voice is ready to take you out. So I've seen this over and over again with my clients. And what I have my clients do is come up with 3 empowering words that they can say over and over and over again in their head, whether it's right before a presentation, as they go to sleep at night. So one of my clients' favorites are fierce, fired up, and focused. Fierce, fired up, and focused. So what you're going to do is as you're going to sleep at night, the day before your presentation, you're going to say these 3 simple words. And you're going to create your own words. It could be courage, clarity, confidence. You get to decide what those 3 words are. And the power of using 3 words is your mind can't tell you, no, that's not true, by saying, I am fierce, I am focused. Well, the mind goes, well, no, you're not. So it's actually a way of reprogramming your subconscious mind and giving it something positive. So we can't fight fierce. It's a word. Fired up, can't fight it. Focused, can't fight it. The moment that you start to add more words to it, your mind can start to grab a hold of it and say, oh, that's not true. So when you go to bed, come up with those 3 words and say them over and over again as you fall asleep. And then what you want to do is before you're presenting, the same thing. Or when you're driving to a presentation or walking to a presentation, start saying those 3 simple words over and over again. And what you're going to do is retrain your brain for speaking success because you're retraining your subconscious mind to do and believe something different. So if you love these tips and you want to keep fast tracking your speaking results, go ahead and subscribe to my channel because I got more good stuff coming your way.